Hello YouTubers, here we have this envirofan. I got two of these new in box. This one's the only one I'm going to test. The Chateau decorafan, 48" in white. All the paperwork, the original instructions, original hook, it's fully complete. I'll put it back together properly after this. I guess I have two of these. I'll be selling both of them. Let's go up here and look at the fan itself. First thing you notice, it is a reversible fan, reverse switch. There's our labeling. So it uses the plunger canopy. Weird seeing it in this like off-white coloration. It's different. That and the antique brass. Let's go ahead and put it on low first with the Dayton 3-amp variable speed control. Little hummy, doesn't really like variable speed controls, I take it, but it still runs good. Do a fast low speed. Perfectly balanced, very clean. It does have the wiring still there in case you want to add a light kit to this fan. Let's go ahead and just give it full power. It actually does move a good amount of air for a toned down industrial motor with wood blades. It does actually move good air, partially because of the pitch. Let's go ahead and do spin down. Pretty fast spin down because the bearings are still very stiff in it. It's new in box, old stock, so. Well, I might just give some bonus footage. Basically everything on the shelves wrapped up, or this new box stuff right here is all stuff going to Fanimation. This is my Fanimation wall. This is all pre-sales. I do actually have more right there in the box and what's on top of it. Got a lot to go through. Some other stuff over there, that's all mostly shipping or what's not sold yet. What's not sold yet I might put on eBay for cheap, or I might bring to Fanimation to try and sell on the spot. So yeah, a little bonus footage. Running out of room. So I will see you guys next time.